Apart from shoreline remediation and mangrove restoration, the hydrocarbon pollution remediation project Hyprep has taken further steps to restore the Ogoni ecosystem goods and services by funding a research and culturing of bloody cockle at the Nigeria Institute of Oceanography and Marine Research, Buguma, in Asaritoru local government of Rivers State, led by Dr. Mrs. Olajumoke Edun, the Director of Marine Research. Professor Zabe said the initiative was in line with Hyprep's mandate of restoring the environment with species like the bloody cockle, oysters, and other seafoods back into Ogoni creeks.
The environment. And restoring the environment includes restoring keystone species like the bloody cockle, oyster, and all the other ones you mentioned. But for the people of Ogoni, which is the focus of our work, bloody cockle is very important.
The PC also explained that in restoring the environment, the project is interested in mostly women and children, describing them as drivers of the local economy.
Because it has supported the livelihoods of the people for centuries, particularly women and young people, as well as children. Because, we started collecting cockles when we were in primary school. And, personally, I have some bit of emotional attachment to bloody cockle. And so, in every home in Bodo and in Bomo and, neighboring Andoni, the cockle was harvested by the people. And apart from the fact that the meat is very nutritious because it contains protein, essential and non-essential amino acids, iron, fat, and carbohydrate. The shells are either used in ornamental production or used in reinforcing concrete, and it has supported livelihoods for centuries. So for us, we want to restore the livelihoods of the Ogoni people. And we are most interested in the drivers of the economy, the women and the young people that go to fish, go to a very bloody cockle. And so while we are cleaning, we do not want to wait until we are done with the cleanup before we think about the next steps. We have to adopt a holistic approach, and that is why we are interested in bloody cockle culture, because we cannot rely on the natural recruitment, because as you know, the bloody cockle naturally live in disjointed ecosystems. So in a creek where you have many tidal flats, they would decide to be on certain tidal flat, but they will not be on certain tidal flats, particularly because of salinity and particle sizes, which are the main determinants of their distribution pattern.
Before going extinct due to an oil spill, bloody cockle was a nutritional source of protein and livelihood to people living in the coastal communities. The PC took a tour of the facility to see the lab, the hatchery, and the experimental pond. Before taking his leave, Professor Zabe made donations of research equipment including a microscope to the institute.
Restoration action!
From the Nigeria Institute of Oceanography and Marine Research, Buguma, I remained Ekikere Odom for Box TV News.